In this video, we are going to talk about how to unlock your iPhone device without jailbreaking it. This video is for those of you who owns an iPhone that is stuck on iCloud lock, activation lock, or hello screen. iCloud unlock issues are common faults faced by iPhone users. Apple has recently patched the iOS 26.2 update up to 6.4.1. That means if your device is running on this iOS version, you cannot bypass at this time, but there's a solution. You can bypass your device if your device is running on iOS version 18.5, iOS 18.7.1, and iOS 18.7.2, and iOS 26.0, iOS 26.1. To bypass your device, all you have to do is go straight to our website. Download the CTG Activator tool. Connect your device and check if it's supported. Register your device, serial number on giantunlocks.com. Reconnect your device to the PC, and within a few minutes, your device will be bypassed successfully. Our website only charges you for processing fee and technician's fee for maintenance. Follow the steps till end, and your device will be activated successfully. Everything should be working perfectly, except cannot make normal cellular calls, but that's fine. The last step of this video will show you how to register your serial number and download the CTG Activator tool from our site. Please subscribe for more unlocked tips and updates.